So sometimes things wear out. This is the case. This bit here has snapped off. It's meant to be on here, and at first glance it looks like it's just broken, but if you look at it, this bit here is razor thin. That is mostly meant to be about 5mm thicker, maybe more. The hole here is now about 38mm. Let's have a look. It's the hole now is 36.5mm, and it should be 30. So that's the amount that's worn off of that part. That's why it's broken. So I think we need a new quick hitch. Sometimes when you want to use a machine, you've got to repair it. So here's my repair, and hopefully it'll last a little bit. I've reinforced it all up here, so let's see how it goes.